Alarm clock. It is a very essential thing for everyone. We have used many alarm clocks, the alarm clock app in our mobiles, but those are not of our own. So today's video's topic is to create an alarm clock using Python all of your own. So let's get started. So guys, we are in our computer screen right now. So let us quickly create a variable alarm hour equals to int input, and like this, int input, and in the parenthesis just write enter time in hours. This is the variable which will store our time in hours. This we will use this variable to set our alarm. Okay, now you would be thinking that how will this guy make the alarm clock? He is not importing any module. So guys, wait, we will be importing our two modules after a couple of seconds. So likewise, create another variable alarm minutes, and change it to minutes. Okay, now create another. This is for our AM PM, like this. Now just change it to AM or PM, and like this, give a question mark. Now what you need to do is just print here setting alarm at, and give a comma after this inverted commas. Now just write here alarm hour comma, and here is 2, then give another comma, and then alarm minutes, then give comma and AM PM, like this. Okay, sorry guys, let me just exit it. Okay, now let me just run this code. It is asking me to enter the time in hours. Currently the time is 19, which means 7. Okay, minutes 4, AM or PM. This is PM. What happened? Okay, this will be our string. Okay, this will be in string form. So let us try it again. 7 4 and this PM. Okay, setting alarm at 7 4 PM. Okay, our user interface, or you can say command line interface, is ready. Now just we need to do one thing, which is add a while loop like this, and hit an enter. Now if alarm hour equals to, here you need to write datetime.now hour. For that you need to import datetime. So let me quickly import datetime here like this. Now just write, and guys, this is a built-in module, so you don't need to install it. Datetime, and after the dot now parenthesis dot hour, like this. Now and alarm minute equals to datetime.now, and here this will be dot minute, like this, and give a colons, and then you need to write that something you will be giving instruction to the user, that time to wake up, something like that, time, like this. Okay, time to wake up. And after that you can play some music. How would you play some music? For that reason I am having this alarm.wav here. So let me just quickly import winsound. It will be used to play our sound or music, which is alarm.wav. So just write here winsound, our module name, and then winsound.playSound, and here the first thing is the music name. In this case it is alarm.wav, and after that you need flags. Now we will be using the snd file name flag. It is the used for wav files. This is a wav file, so I'm writing here snd and this snd file name. So it will come winsound.snd file name. So it will play our music. Now we need a break, or since this is a while true loop, it will continue. It will repeat again and again. So now let us click on the run button. let me just write here 7. Oh, just let us just try it once. It is working fine or not. Let us just check it. PM. So it is setting alarm for this time. Okay, now if it is AM or PM, what we need to do is, if AM PM equals to PM, now this will be in 24-hour format. Now if it is PM, then it should convert it should add 12 to the alarm hour. So just write here alarm hour equals to alarm hour plus 12. Okay, this is how you can do it. Sorry. Now the time is 7 hours and 8 minutes. It is PM. Heard it? The alarm worked finally. But have you seen many of the alarm clocks? What they do, this beep continues till the user presses on the stop button. I will answer this question in my next video, how you can do it. Okay, so to see that video, click on the video on the left, and I am having the automate Google Meet using Python video on my right. Choose any of them fast.